Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Matthew Mess here. Welcome back to my channel. So this arrived in the mail not too long ago, a couple weeks ago. It's the Elgato HD60 Pro. I'm going to be installing it into my computer. So let's unwrap this and let's get into it. It's not too difficult. Basically, you just have to install it here underneath the graphics card. So yeah, I won't be using the cam link anymore because the same thing happened. It smells like burning plastic. I plugged it into the USB 3 port because I tried plugging it into the front and the frame rate was choppy, so I figured, hey, it must be because it's USB 2. Let me plug it in here, and it fried it. So I don't know why. It's not supposed to do that. Pretty sure it's not supposed to do that. I got my hard drives plugged into those 3.0 ports and they're fine. So, you know, I don't know what's going on there, but whatever. Camlink's a piece of shit. Hopefully they give me my money back. But anyway, let's get into installing this PCIe capture card, shall we? And there it is. Pretty badass, not gonna lie, it looks pretty cool. Hopefully this doesn't fry on me as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the shit out of here and we'll start installing this son of a bitch. I may need a screwdriver to unscrew these things here. I don't know if you can even see that. Let me turn the exposure up. Give me a second. I'll just put it on auto, fuck it. There we go. Yeah, these things here, you see that? Just gotta unscrew those. Definitely gonna upgrade the graphics card. That's one thing I want to upgrade. I'm thinking about getting like an AMD 5700X Sapphire or something. They're pretty badass. They're basically 2070 Supers, more or less. So it might be a good jump from the G1 980 Ti. Who knows? I'll look into it. Maybe get some water cooling put in here. I do still have a Cooler Meister, I believe that's called. I cannot remember the exact name of my cooler, but I know it's pretty good. I'm able to overclock the 9700K at about 5 gigahertz and at only 1.30 volts, so you know my temperatures are pretty good, so that's good enough for me. Alright, so let's take the components out of here. It's pretty tiny. It's let me focus for you guys. There we go. It's pretty small, and here's all the fun stuff here. Yeah, pretty cool. Alright, so let's get this in. There's also like a spare one of these back things, but I mean it's already got one, so why is there another one there? I don't know, I think it might just be a replacement, who knows. Anyway, let's get this installed. Well, I guess when it comes to my camera, I'm gonna have to just get another HD60 and just plug it into that and just record my game footage with this HD60 Pro, I guess. It's the only thing I can think of. Hang on, let me turn the ISO up so you can see. Put on auto, fuck it, there we go. Alright, so we'll just take this, unscrew this part here, and we'll just loosen it up. I kind of already loosened it already, so. Okay, so, unscrew it there. Okay, we can just take that out now. There it goes. Okay, that's out. Okay, so I can just take this off now. Just pull that out like that. Okay, and we'll just leave this here. Now we can just put the Elgato in there, and that should be it. That should be the installation. I'm just going to plug it into the motherboard here. So just about here, there's a slot there. I think I took the wrong one out. I think I'm supposed to plug it in down here. There's actually, yeah, I think that's the slot down there. I have to plug it in. Alright, let me just re-screw that. My bad, guys. I've never done this before. Come on, give me a break. Alright, so that's out. So yank this out. There we go. That's out. Okay, so let's put the card in, I guess. We'll just slide it in there, and it should just line up. Let's plug that in there. I may need two hands. Give me a second, guys. Okay. I believe that's in there now. I've got that nice and firm in there now. So yeah. I guess we'll just screw that in now. I think that's so that's in there now. So I guess it's just a matter of me plugging everything back in and testing it out. Well, I might try my camera first to see if I can get the camera working. I'll be back. I'll load the HD60 Pro up in OBS and see if it picks up my camera okay. So I'll be right back. I'm just gonna set everything up again. Okay guys, so got OBS open, got the Sony A7 connected with the HD60 Pro. Give me a second. Let me just go to properties. So yeah, I just got, you can actually set it, lock it at 60, which is pretty cool. As you can see, that's silky smooth. I love that. Yeah, I just got 709 partial. I could just disable buffering, you kind of don't need it, but just to be safe, I might leave it enabled, because you never know when I might run into issues later on, so, you know. So we'll just let that go. I think I have to delay my microphone. I think it's out of sync with the video. So I think usually what I do is I just go here, and then, you know, I'll just add like an offset of like I don't know, 250 or something like that. I think I use like I think I use straight up 600 milliseconds for my old setup, but I think the latency might be quicker with this PCIe version of the HD60. So yeah, I guess I'll just buy a regular HD60 and just use that for this camera, and I'll use this for gaming. I don't know. I guess whatever's easier for me. I mean, this is pretty good latency. I'm really happy with this, and the video's smooth, so I don't know. I guess I might just leave it like this. It looks pretty good. So I think I'll just until I get another HD60, I'll just use this for my camera for now. So yeah. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. You guys can expect some new content from me in the future. A whole heap of it, actually. I might start streaming again, but I've been having problems with my internet, so I have to fix that. And I need to take back this cam link and get my money back, and then buy a HD60 that I can use for my camera again, like I used previously, and then just use the Elgato Pro for gaming. Yeah, so anyway, that's it. I will be back. I've been gone away. Sorry I've been gone for so long when it comes to YouTube. I've just been really busy IRL, a lot of work, and yeah, so I'll be back in action shortly. Might be doing some streams, some Let's Plays. We'll just have to see. Oh, I should probably be disabling the audio in the Sony A7. That would be great. Yeah, good thing I'm multi-tracking. Otherwise, I would be pretty much fucked. Let me just check. Yeah, I only have 2 tracks, so that's all good. But yeah, I just fiddled with some more stuff there. Everything seems to be good. So, oh yeah, if you're wondering why my hand is, I'm only filming my hand, is because my HDMI cable doesn't reach the tripod. I have to get a longer one, so I might do that in a little bit. But yeah, yeah, that's anyway, that's pretty much all I want to talk about. I'll see you guys later. Take care.